fidgy, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video with your boy DeAndre Dang Go. You know what I'm saying? Today I'm gonna show y'all a little hair tutorial. This is for all my guys out there, my young black man, my older black man, black, whatever you are. You know what I'm saying? This is for all of y'all. This is the 2-strand twist. This is like the simplest thing in the book there is to do if you want to grow your hair, or if you already have hair and you want to help your hair grow, or you just need a quick hairstyle. You know what I'm saying? It goes a long way. It also helps your hair be curly when you take it out. So it's one of the simplest things there is. Now, I'm not going to be doing my whole hair because, one, I recently just took my hair out. It's dirty. I'm not gonna lie to you. I have a dry scalp. I'm trying to maintain, be more consistent with oiling my hair and stuff, but my hair just be getting dry like after I freshly do it. So I don't know. So y'all might see a little, dangers for all the people who love seeing that stuff. I know people be coming on YouTube watching people scratch their head and shit like that. But yeah, man, we gonna get a little tongue twist. But yeah, man, we gonna get into the video right now, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do this. Okay, like I said, I'm not doing my whole head. I'm just gonna do probably like the front right here, and that's it. All right, let's get it. As y'all can see right here, I'm about to part the hair with my fingers. Obviously, I don't have no comb right now. So you're just gonna part it with your fingers, turn it into 2 strands. Then you're gonna do left over right. And you just keep going left over right. So what's in your right is gonna be your left. And you just keep going and you repeat that same process. Left over right. So it's just going over and over. It's just a whole cycle. So left over right. So you're just going left, and then your right become your left, and then you go over again, and it's just like that. I hope you guys learn from it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, then go out.